On Divergence, binary options come in two forms, asset or nothing or cash or nothing. We'll explore what you can do with these put options. First of all, let's see what happens when you fund an options pool with an asset token like wrapped Ethereum. You can use other asset tokens to create and trade options, of course. In this case, when you buy a shield from the pool, you pay a premium in wrapped Ethereum for an asset or nothing put. If the Ethereum price is below the strike price at expiration, you get paid 1 wrapped Ethereum. Otherwise, you lose your premium. On the other hand, when a pool of the same underlying is funded with a stable coin like Tether, you have to buy a shield with Tether. You are buying a cash or nothing put. At expiration, you get paid 1 Tether if Ethereum settles below the strike. So an asset or nothing put is settled in the underlying asset. A cash or nothing put settles in cash. Now let's see what happens when you buy some cash or nothing puts and sell an asset or nothing put of the same strike. The number of cash or nothing puts you buy would have to equal its strike price. So if both of your put options expire in the money, you get a fixed cash amount at the strike price and payout an Ethereum. This is the same as having a long position in a standard European put option. At expiration, a standard European put pays out the difference between the asset price and the strike price. The lower the asset price, the higher the payouts. This is how you can create a standard European put by buying cash or nothing puts and selling an asset or nothing put on Divergence. Sometimes this position you create can have a different price compared to other options markets. This can present arbitrage opportunities. Anyways, let's remind you that options trading involves risks. This is not financial advice. We hope to see you soon trading on Divergence. If you have any questions, you're welcome to come ask in our Discord or Telegram. We are happy to help.